All right, let's look at question 32. It says the population of a town increases by 2% every year. After 2 years, the population is 83,232. Calculate correct to the nearest thousand the original population. So we use the formula. A P subscript t is equals to P naught into bracket 1 plus r raised to the power of t. Pt is the population that has been increased after 2 years. That's 83,232. And our P naught, which is the original population, into bracket 1 plus the R is the rate of increase, that's 2%, which is 0.02. The T, the time, is 2 years, raised to the power of 2. So from here, I'll press our calculator, we'll have that this becomes P naught into bracket 1.0404, and we still have our 83,232. Now we divide both sides by 1.0404 to get our original population. This will go off, so our P naught will be equals to 3,232 divided by 1.0404 will give us 80,000, which is option A.